Once upon a time, in a far-off, icy land, lived a small boy named Timmy. Timmy loved to explore the frozen tundra, but he had never seen a polecat before. One day, as he trudged through the snow, he came across a strange, fluffy creature. It was a polar polecat. The polar polecat was white with a bushy tail, and it looked quite friendly. Timmy approached the polecat slowly, not wanting to scare it. "Hello, little friend," he said, extending his hand. The polar polecat seemed to understand and wagged its tail, making Timmy laugh. Timmy spent the day with the polar polecat, learning about its habitat and playing in the snow. He found out that polecats are actually very smart and can survive in the coldest of temperatures. As the sun began to set, Timmy knew he had to go home. He said goodbye to his new friend and promised to visit again soon. The polar polecat watched as Timmy walked away, and then ran off into the tundra, ready for its own adventure. From that day on, Timmy made it a habit to visit the polar polecat every week. He learned so much from it and grew to love the little creature. The polar polecat taught him about resilience, friendship, and the beauty of the Arctic. So, the next time you see something new and different, don't be afraid to approach it. You might just make a new friend and learn something you never knew before. And remember, no matter where you are, there is always something to discover and learn.